Have you ever wanted the responsibility of owning something that is alive, but don't want a child because you can't find anyone willing to have a child with you, and it'd be real awkward to just come up to someone like, hey, want to have a child? Well, now you can, thanks to dogs! Dogs are essential to things such as sniffing for the things you can't smell for. There are multiple different versions of our exclusive dog, which include that one and a few others. If you ever have any interest in dog, please inform your doctor and ask them, why? Why dogs? What is it about dogs? Why? So enjoy your dog! Sponsored by cats.